Be honest with yourself. How many times have you tried to lose belly fat, only to feel like nothing's working? You cut calories, you hit the gym, but that stubborn belly fat just doesn't go away. Here's the truth. The secret isn't starving yourself or doing hundreds of crunches every night. The secret lies in eating the right foods that switch on your body's natural fat-burning engine. And today, I'm revealing the 11 most powerful foods proven to burn belly fat the fastest. These aren't just random diet tips. They're backed by science and loved by fitness experts around the world. Stick around until the very end, because some of these foods might surprise you, and they could completely change the way you see weight loss. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon is more than just a delicious fish. It's a fat-burning machine. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon reduces inflammation in the body, which is one of the biggest reasons fat clings to your belly. A less inflamed body means your hormones work properly, especially the ones that control hunger and fat storage. Plus, salmon is a protein powerhouse. And protein is crucial because it raises your metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even while sitting at your desk. Eating salmon 2 to 3 times per week can also regulate blood sugar levels, which prevents the dreaded insulin spikes that cause fat storage right around the waistline. Pro tip: grill or bake your salmon instead of frying it, and pair it with leafy greens or roasted vegetables for a powerful fat-burning dinner. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs often get labeled as unhealthy because of cholesterol myths, but in reality, they're one of the best foods for burning belly fat. The protein in eggs is extremely bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs and uses it efficiently to build lean muscle. And remember, the more lean muscle you have, the more calories your body burns at rest. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient that specifically targets fat stored in the liver and belly area. Having eggs in the morning keeps you full for hours, reducing the urge to snack on sugary foods that pile fat onto your waist. Whether you like them boiled, scrambled, or poached, adding eggs to your breakfast is one of the smartest choices you can make for burning belly fat. Number 3. Avocados. Avocados are often misunderstood. Yes, they're high in fat, but it's the good kind of fat, monounsaturated fats that actually help your body burn belly fat. These fats help reduce belly bloating and also control the expression of certain genes linked to fat storage. Beyond that, avocados are high in fiber, which slows digestion and keeps you satisfied for hours. Studies show that people who regularly eat avocados tend to have slimmer waists than those who don't. A half avocado on whole grain toast, diced into a salad or blended into a smoothie can keep hunger away and keep your metabolism fired up all day. Number 4. Chili peppers. Love spicy food? Good news, it loves you back. Chili peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which has been proven to raise your body temperature and kickstart fat burning. This process, called thermogenesis, forces your body to burn extra calories just to cool itself down. Eating spicy foods also reduces appetite, so you're less likely to overeat at your next meal. Even a small sprinkle of cayenne pepper in your meals can increase fat oxidation. Imagine this: every time you add heat to your food, you're also turning up the heat on belly fat. Number 5. Oats. Carbs get a bad reputation, but not all carbs are created equal. Oats are a slow-digesting carbohydrate packed with soluble fiber. This type of fiber forms a gel in your stomach, slowing digestion, reducing blood sugar spikes, and preventing fat from being stored around your belly. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning provides steady energy, keeping you away from that mid-morning sugar crash. Adding berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon makes it even more powerful. In fact, cinnamon itself has fat-burning properties by improving insulin sensitivity. So, oats aren't just a healthy breakfast, they're a belly fat burner in disguise. Number 6. Almonds. Almonds are small but mighty. Just a handful provides protein, fiber, and healthy fats, all of which keep your appetite in check. Multiple studies have shown that people who snack on almonds lose more belly fat compared to those who eat carb-heavy snacks. The magnesium in almonds also plays a role in controlling blood sugar levels and reducing stress, both of which are linked to belly fat storage. Instead of grabbing chips or cookies, keep a small bag of almonds handy. Just be careful not to overeat them, as they are calorie-dense, but when eaten in moderation, they're a fat-burning super snack. Number 7. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries are all packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body processes carbs more efficiently and stores less fat. Berries are also loaded with fiber, which fills you up without adding many calories. Studies even show that the compounds in blueberries directly reduce belly fat in animal models. Adding a handful of berries to your oats, smoothies, or even just as a snack gives you a natural fat-fighting boost while satisfying your sweet tooth. Number 8. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, often overlooked, are one of the most nutrient-dense snacks for burning belly fat. They're loaded with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, the perfect trio for appetite control. But what makes them special is their high magnesium content. Magnesium regulates blood sugar and reduces cortisol, the stress hormone directly tied to belly fat storage. When cortisol is high, your body holds on to fat, especially in the abdominal area. By adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to your diet, you not only stay full longer but also help your body relax and burn fat more efficiently. Try sprinkling them on salads or even eating them roasted as a crunchy snack. Number 9. Lean chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the cleanest sources of protein you can eat. It's low in fat but extremely high in protein, which helps preserve muscle mass while you lose fat. Remember, the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. That's why chicken is a staple in almost every fat loss diet. Beyond that, chicken is versatile. You can grill it, bake it, or shred it into salads. Just avoid frying it or drowning it in heavy sauces. A lean source of protein like chicken keeps your metabolism running high and ensures you're burning more belly fat every single day. Number 10. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a unique fat that your body processes differently than most other oils. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are quickly absorbed and used as energy instead of being stored as fat. Studies show that consuming coconut oil can reduce belly fat, particularly visceral fat, which is the most dangerous kind stored around your organs. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day, either in cooking or even blended into your morning coffee, can give your metabolism a significant boost. Unlike some other oils that slow you down, coconut oil is a powerful metabolic enhancer that directly helps melt stubborn belly fat. Number 11. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate can actually help burn belly fat, as long as you choose one with at least 70% cacao. The flavonoids in dark chocolate improve circulation, reduce stress hormones, and regulate metabolism. Stress is a huge driver of belly fat because it spikes cortisol levels, which signal your body to store fat around the waist. A small square of dark chocolate after dinner not only satisfies cravings, but also keeps stress hormones under control. It's the perfect guilt-free indulgence that works with your body instead of against it. So there you have it, the 11 foods that burn belly fat the fastest. Notice that none of these are weird or impossible to find. They're everyday foods you can add to your meals starting today. The key isn't to starve yourself or chase fad diets. It's to fuel your body with the right foods that naturally kick your metabolism into high gear. Start combining these foods into your daily routine, and you'll notice the difference not just in your belly, but in your energy, confidence, and overall health. Now tell me, which of these foods are already in your kitchen? And which one are you going to try first? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's see who's serious about burning that belly fat.